This apartment's actually over 40 years old. Homeowners wanted a complete overhaul of the space when they got it because the original condition was quite run down. The style and furnishings were outdated and there were a lot of standalone furniture rather than built-ins, which did no favour to the use of space. They sought for a functional home, but one done up with a fresh, modern aesthetic. This was designed using a neutral palette paired with wood elements. Hints of industrial flair and nostalgia balance things out. The biggest change in this 3-month renovation was of the kitchen. It was originally an enclosed one which didn't allow for much airflow and light and made it feel a bit stifling. Instead of making it completely open though, extra countertop space and full-height shelves were used to create a partially open kitchen to maintain a visual division between the living room and the cooking zone. The kitchen's thoughtfully designed to blend convenience with functionality. With the original walls removed, there were now sidelines between the kitchen and the living room to allow the homeowners to keep an eye on their children while prepping meals. It also encourages greater interaction, turning this kitchen into a central hub where family activities can naturally flow. The extra countertop space opens out into the entryway, providing the perfect spot for them to drop off their grocery bags or belongings as soon as they step in through the main door. Just next to the entryway, a concealed door also hides the entrance into the storeroom. Miniature food and dollhouse collectibles are displayed behind the glass cabinets, with the open niches at the bottom for kids' books and school bags. Inside the kitchen, the old cabinets were completely dismantled and replaced with a two-tone design. The uppers are covered in an ivory shade, whereas the bottom cabinets are in a dark walnut tone. This helps to avoid overwhelming the space with too much wood detail. Brightening the space further are the countertops and a backsplash. They are covered in a cement-like sintered stone material, mirroring the grey hues and the textured floor tiles. For a streamlined look, there's a custom niche for the refrigerator and a dedicated space for a built-in oven, plus extended cabinets hide the rubbish chute. The water filter is right next to an extra countertop by the kitchen for easy access. The family's turntable is also housed here, so they can relax and listen to their favourite records whenever they have their meals. To help maintain the spaciousness of the living room, the piano is placed beside the TV console, creating a tidy parallel arrangement that maintains a sense of order and flow. The setup also keeps the piano away from the windows and allows parents to enjoy their children play in the comfort of the sofa. A curved feature wall with concealed lighting is designed to make the living room softer and more inviting, while the flooring is lined with oak wood vinyl, the natural tones helping to further the warmth of the room. An L-shaped wardrobe in the master bedroom offers ample storage space and cleverly separates the sleeping zone from the rest of the room. The result is a cozier, more private bedroom, one that is both practical and stylish. A half-height headboard is set against a calming blue pastel wall with an integrated LED ambient light for a soft glow. The wood accents here reflect the ones seen in the kitchen, creating a visual cohesiveness. Finally, the bathrooms. The common one features terrazzo tiles mixed with blue subway tiles, while the master bathroom has green subway tiles to complement the overall urban chic vibe. The black exposed pipes and fittings give them an industrial edge as well. This renovation shows that older homes can be adapted to modern lifestyles. The open layout and well-placed built-ins ensure this home will continue to be a comfortable and stylish space for the family for years to come.